Yung problema ko po sa kaliwang mata ko ay malabo po. Hindi ko na po maninag yung tao sa malayo. Tapos pag nakatitig po ako sa isang bagay ng medyo matagal, lumalabo na rin po yung kanan kong mata.
Pumunta po ako dito para ipagamot ko po ang aking glaucoma. At sa isang mata ko, may katarata daw po. Gusto ko pong magamot yung aking nagkaramdaman para po makakita ulit ng liwanag.
This week, we're up in the province of Isabela in the city of Ilagan, screening patients for cataract surgery, pterygium surgery, and other eye surgeries. And I think Dr. Malubay said it best when he said, we're not coming as a team of eye doctors, we're coming as a team of healers to bring healing and hope and sight to people who've been living in darkness for a long time.
I feel better now, doctor.
You can see better now?
Yeah. Yeah, I feel better now 100%. Sobrang nervyos, sobrang kaba. At nag-aalala po kung may makakakita pa ba talaga yung mata ko o hindi na. Pero nung tinanggal po yung patch sa mata ko, hindi ko po ma-express kung ano pa yung nararamdaman ko. Sa 4 na taon pong hindi po nakakita yung kaliwang mata ko. Salamat sa Diyos. Ito po, nakakakita na po ako. Yeah, salamat.
This is my first trip to the Philippines, but SEA International has been collaborating with Dr. Malubay and other ophthalmologists here for a number of years, and they've done remarkable work doing thousands of cataract surgeries all over the Philippines the past couple of years. Dr. Malubay is a remarkable individual, and his team, with the help of SEA International, has reached so many people in the Philippines who otherwise wouldn't have access to ophthalmic care.
We are doing this in Operation Clarotin. We are volunteer teams who want to keep on going as long as we can to deliver these tertiary health services in the countryside. So we are happy doing this. We want to keep it going with our partners, international partners. SEA International, thank you so much.
Ako po bilang isang nanay ng 3 anak ko, ako po ay gumigising ng maaga para ipagluto sila ng kanilang almusal, aasikasuhin sila, ipaghahanda ng pagkain, ng kanilang masusuot, ng kanilang baon, at ihahatid sa school para sure na papasok silang safe sa kanilang paaralan. At isa po ako sa mapalad na mga operahan sa mata para makakita na po ako ng maayos. Maninag ko na ng maayos yung nasa malayo. Hindi na ako mahirapang tingnan o basahin yung isang bagay na nalalabuan ako.
Salamat po sa inyong pagtulong sa mami ko at makakita na rin po siya ng malinaw.
Worldwide, cataract blindness is one of the greatest causes of blindness, and it's a totally treatable disease. It's something that can be done with a quick 10-20-minute cataract surgery, and it can be totally life-changing to an individual who's been living in darkness for many, many years to suddenly be able to see again. It not only helps them see better, but helps them contribute to their families, helps them contribute to the communities, and it just strengthens the community and society at large. There are so many positive ripple effects that can be felt from one individual cataract surgery.